In this video, you'll learn how to add Google Wallet to the lock screen on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will enable quick access to your wallet for payments directly from your lock screen. Start by locating the Settings app on your Google Pixel phone. You can find this app in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you have opened the Settings app, look for the option labeled Display or Security. Tap on this option to proceed. Within this menu, you will find the lock screen options. This section is dedicated to customizing various features of your lock screen, including shortcuts and notifications. Before moving on, ensure that your device supports wallet shortcuts to avoid any issues later in the process. Next, within the lock screen settings, search for the section labeled Lock Screen Shortcuts. This section allows you to customize which apps can be accessed directly from the lock screen. You will see several slots available for shortcuts. Select one of these shortcut slots to begin the process of adding Google Wallet. Once you tap on the slot, a list of available apps will appear. Scroll through this list until you find Google Wallet. Tap on this option to assign it to the selected shortcut slot. After making your selection, ensure that it is saved properly before proceeding. This step is crucial as it enables quick access to your wallet for payments. After adding the wallet shortcut, it is essential to test its functionality. Lock your device by pressing the power button. Once the screen is locked, attempt to access the shortcut you just configured. You should see the Google Wallet icon appear in the shortcut area. Tap on this icon to verify that Google Wallet opens correctly and functions as expected. If the app does not launch or if you encounter any issues, you may need to revisit the settings to adjust the shortcuts. This testing phase ensures that your wallet is readily accessible when you need it. By following these steps, you have successfully added the Google Wallet shortcut to your lock screen. This feature allows you to make payments quickly and efficiently without having to unlock your device fully. Remember that having a fast internet connection may enhance the performance of Google Wallet, especially when making transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.